Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I have been in a creative rut lately, so I decided to take off and find some inspiration. Come along with me, hope you like it. So I was just out and about and taking pictures, and I thought I'm going to find some water because I really struggle with water. So I was going to try to find some water that I could paint, and I was going to paint it no matter what. And I was just going to try it and do the best I could. So I found streams, beautiful streams. And I decided on this composition right there. And I went back to my table at home and I painted it the best I could. I decided it wasn't good enough, so I ended up ruining it with adding more color. So I liked the first one better. So then I started driving around and look what I seen. Oh my gosh, this doe was so beautiful. And so I just sat in the car and watched this doe for the longest time. I just couldn't believe she just stood there looking at me. I zoomed in on her and took a few still shots and decided I have never painted a deer before. So I thought, I'm gonna paint a deer. See how it goes. So first I drew it, rendered it out the best I could, looked a little bit illustrative, and then I added some color and showed it to my granddaughter, and she loved it. She said, "Oh, that's my favorite yet." So then I went driving around some more, found this old country church, thought I really don't do structures, but I'm gonna do it. So I went back to my studio and just started in. Didn't measure, I just painted. I just painted and painted until, I decided, do I like structures or do I don't like structures? It was just a crapshoot, but it got me back in my sketchbook and started me in the process again. So that is one thing you can do. Another thing I did was I went around and took pictures of all the beautiful flowers I seen. And then I came back. Never really have done potted flowers before. So I thought, I'm going to try it. So here we go. We're putting in the flowers as placeholders. And then I started just filling in around them. So it ended up turning out okay. Took this art and fly pen to make some veins in the leaves. I like this art and fly pen. For me, it works better than the Uniball Signo, but you do you. I'll link it, everything I used, in the description below. Then I went on a drive and found this beautiful mountain scene. And I didn't know how much detail I wanted to get into. So I just did some elements. I just kind of framed out the mountain scene, did that really cool green flowery thing in the front. And, then I just started looking up around me and I thought, oh my gosh, it's so beautiful, so beautiful if you just get out and look around. Now, I didn't want to paint that whole forest, so I just grabbed some pictures of some elements and did a little sketchbook scene. So I learned this at a workshop, so I thought, oh, that's kind of cute. Seen some turkeys in the backyard. So I thought, oh, I don't know about turkeys, but I give my best shot at it and tried to do some sketching and sketched a couple out. So then I thought, well, what about urban sketching? Maybe go downtown, look around. This is Sevierville, and I've been spending a little bit of time in Sevierville lately. So I thought, oh, let's look around some more. So as I was driving, I seen these cute little flower pots all around town. So I thought, all right, I got enough to get me going. I go back and I just start taking some of the pictures I took and start sketching out and just having a blast. Yeah, I wasn't even worried about whether I was getting an accurate picture. I wasn't worried about a whole lot of other things, just the process. Although I couldn't get this little character looking like he wasn't evil in some way. So I ended up doing the courthouse and the Dolly statue, and it came out pretty good. You know, I wasn't trying to get a likeness. I was just trying to capture the essence of my day. So this was a really fun process. So whether it's the water you go after, which I still need to work on my rocks and my water, or whether it's flowers that you want to go after. I seen these really pretty red flowers. I think they were called cannas, somebody told me. And the highlight of my day was this little deer. You know, she was so cute. I think it's a doe. It's fall time, so they're out running around everywhere, and the sunflowers are just almost gone for the season, but you know, I wanted to capture that. And then as I was walking out my door, I captured this crepe myrtle leaf that just fell to the ground, but was so pretty. And so I hope you enjoyed this video, and you know, take some time and go out and find some inspiration. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye, guys.